Hello, my name is Cory and I'm a solution specialist at ErieTec, and today I'm going to talk to you about the IEEE-841 motor. I'll discuss a little bit of the background of this motor and then point out a few features that this motor has to make it a true severe duty motor. A little background on this motor is IEEE stands for Institute of Electrical Electronics Engineering. This is a group of engineers that got together to develop a motor with a certain spec for the chemical industry. There are many specs this motor has to meet, so I won't go into detail on all of them, but I will point out some of the main features that help this motor in harsh environments. If we take a look at the graph that ErieTec has provided, we can see the main reasons why motors fail. The first and largest part of the graph is bearings. 51% of motors fail because the bearings fail. This is caused by contaminants getting through the seal and then reaching the bearing, which causes friction. And friction creates heat, which will then cause the bearing to fail. To prevent this from happening, the IEEE-841 motors has a special seal design known as an impro seal, or a bearing isolator. This is added layers of protection, and because of the special seal design, this makes it almost impossible for contaminants to reach the bearing, preventing the main cause of motor failure. The next portion of the graph I wanted to point out is external. What this means is exterior of the motor. Somewhere on the exterior of the motor is compromised, causing corrosion, which could then damage the internals of the motor, preventing it, and then that causes it to fail. To help prevent this, the motor has a special epoxy paint on the motor to help protect itself from the elements. Sometimes you'll see these motors outside exposed to the elements, and if anyone is familiar with Erie weather, the motor could see rain, snow, heat throughout the entire year. So this paint will act as an armor to prevent damage. I also mentioned earlier that these motors were designed for the chemical industry, and this paint will help prevent these chemicals from corroding the motor as well. Finally, if for some reason this motor does fail, you'll have the security knowing this motor comes standard with a 5-year warranty, no questions asked. Our vendors stock these motors in a variety of horsepowers, ranging from 1 to 250 horsepower. This does not include fractional horsepower, and our vendors stock these motors on the shelves readily available throughout the country for quick delivery. If you're interested in knowing more about this motor or think your plant can benefit from this, please reach out to a solution specialist like myself or a local sales rep for your help. You can also reach us at our main line, which is 814-453-6871, or can visit our website for flyers at www.erietecinc.com. Thanks again for your time. Have a great day.